Hello, friends. How are you? Welcome back to another edition of Chronic Pain Entertainment. I'm Raymond Nugent. Nice to have you on board. Today I'm just giving you a small tutorial of what I'm doing in the kitchen. All right, just a small tutorial of what I'm doing in the kitchen. Leading up to Super Bowl weekend. Because I'm keeping it nice, simple, and just enjoyable. All right. So let's go. All right. So we're gonna we have to enter the kitchen the right way because I've been cooking. Certain things have been pre-cooked, so I'm not gonna lie. It's television, so you have to make it look live and original, but it is original. All right. So we're entering the kitchen. All right. So don't be afraid. You look in the oven. As you see, I got the potatoes at the bottom going. Because I love my potatoes. I cook them halfway and I season them. Then I bake them. So they come out nice and delicious with all that spicy and nice seasoning. So there you go. Those are my potatoes in the oven. They're doing a wonderful job. Staying nice and fresh, and baked. At a certain temperature. 350 degrees. And yes, guys. So that's how I do the part of the meal that's going to have me full for a while, and then as you can see, in this pot right here, I got the shrimp. I already cooked and sautéed. So I'm ready for the shrimp. As you can see, it's the one. I'm by myself, so I'm cooking for myself. Just remind that. And that's a pound and a half of shrimp. All right. And now I have me, of course, the greens. You can see carrots and broccolis. All that great stuff, cooking in the pot, just to keep me nice and healthy, you know what I mean? Because I want to be that way and I want to stay that way. You see what I'm saying? Because right now, February 3rd, in Florida, the weather's amazing, as you can see on the outside. I'm going to take you outside for a little while. I'm just going to take you on a short little ride so you can see the outside in Florida. That's why I love it so much, because the sun never stops shining, regardless of how the day is. It always turns out into a sunshine. So here we go, on the outside. As you can see, I'll just give you a little tutorial, of what you'll be missing, for quite a while. You see what I'm saying? So yeah, so that is it. The sunshine, Florida, respect. Put some respect on our name, goddammit. You know what I'm saying? This is Florida. You know what I mean? This is how we do it. If I want to go play golf, I go play golf. If I want to go do something else, I do something else. But I'm just showing you the joy and the beauty, of living here in Florida, and all the stuff that it helps you to do as far as mentally and physically, and trying to get yourself in certain shape, where you could be a more productive person, in life. You know what I mean? And that's one of the best things, guys. I know I'm going to face the copyright infringement, but guess what? Let the music roll. You know what I mean? This is how we do it. And this is going on YouTube. That's how we do it. You see what I'm saying? Yeah. I'm monetized. So let's roll, man. For all my fans out there, man, big respect. All the people that voted for me, big respect. All the people that put me to where I'm at, big respect. You see what I'm saying? Never forget. Never forget. You know what I mean? Hold on to what you got. Whatever that is. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm not holding on to nothing right now. So, me, I'm just cutting and going through like, yeah, you know how it is. Yeah, I can't put no stamp on nothing right now, you know what I mean? I'm past that stage, so, I just have to be humble. Yeah, man, so, that's me in the kitchen, just doing it up, cooking my meal, you know what I mean? Just, doing it the right way, doing it the right way. Super Bowl weekend, you know what I mean? We down here, I'm not going to show you no drinks because I'm not drinking. Everything I'm having is water. And, yeah, how it goes. I might have me one of those little Red Bulls or whatever the case may be. But, that's it. You know what I mean? So, yeah. So, come on in, blogging and talking, man. Get on this channel because, why? We're moving so fast. You know what I mean? This machine, is moving very fast. Because, why? We give positive content, the real content, and what people, used to, because it's just a day-to-day content that we give. Nothing, fabricated. It's just all real and authentic. And I'm Chronic Pain. I'm here. I'm here for all my friends in Chronic Pain. I'm going to hold you down, and I said I'm going to hold you down forever because I'm not going to quit. You see what I'm saying? I'm not going to quit. So don't quit. See the sunshine outside? You will be able to see that soon. You see what I'm saying? Soon. You know what I mean? So yes. So don't quit. Keep hope alive and stay optimistic, and everything else will fall into place. You see what I'm saying? So yeah, man. So if you're cooking or if you're jiving, make whatever it is, man. Just be joyful and be the best you could be. Because me right here, yeah, I'm skanking to my music. You know what I mean? While I'm talking to you, yeah. And that's the vibe. That's the vibe you want to have. You see what I'm saying? Because too much BS is going on. So we have to, yeah, rock it out of our mind. You know what I mean? Yeah, rock it out. My back hurts, but guess what happened? I'm rocking it out. You know what I mean? Yeah, rock it out. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, that's how we're gonna do it. 2021. You know what I'm saying? Get up off your butt and move around. Yeah, let's go. Let's go for all my peoples out there in chronic pain. Yeah, just get up. Rock to the music. If it's even one song, if it's even half of the song, because I'm already tired. My body's, yeah, but hey, I'm doing this for you. So guess what? Let's go. Let's go. Forget about a copyright infringement. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. What I'm saying to you, let's go. Let's go. Yeah, man, it's all about cooking. So I'm not gonna. Yeah, just remember, I'm cooking. So that's the cooking vibes. You know what I mean? That's the cooking vibes. So let me just bring it back to the cooking. Yeah, the potatoes are rolling. You know what I mean? That's how Ray Ray eats. You know what I'm saying? I'm not big and fancy on certain things. I'm very, humble. And what I like is what I like. And I might eat certain things twice a week, but because that's what I like. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, so that's just the way it goes. So big respect to all my friends, all the people that supported me, all my subscribers, all my listeners, all my family, everybody stay tuned because 2021, we're gonna bring it to you in a different way, you know what I mean? So we all can enjoy and just be humble and just stay free, you know what I mean? Because that's all we need in our life, some freedom, some space, somewhere where we could go to, or we just feel that time where we need that little special time for, just relax and unwind. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, so that's how we're gonna do in 2021. So we're gonna rock and come into the music, Yeah, work it out. Work it out. Yeah, work it out. Yeah. It's hurtful, but work it out. Work it out. Yes. Chronic pain and a demon in the house. What I say. You know what I mean? Who feels it, knows it. What I say. What I say. Each one. Teach one. Peace.